Please don't let this turn into something it's not. I can only give you everything I've got. I can't be as sorry as you think I should, but I still love you more than anyone else could. All that I keep thinking throughout this whole flight is it could take my whole damn life to make this right. The splintered mast I'm holding on won't save me long, because I know fine well that what I did was wrong. The last girl and the last reason to make this last for as long as I could. First kissing the first time that I felt connected to anything. The weight of water, the way you taught me to look past everything I had ever learned. The final word and the final sentence you ever uttered to me was love. We have got through so much worse than this before. What's so different this time that you can't ignore? You say it is much more than just my last mistake, and we should spend some time